What's up, y'all? This your girl Goldmouth. Girl, guess what? I just forgot all about virgin hair fertilizer Fridays. I'm talking about, like, for real, I just forgot, y'all. I am sorry, girl. So if y'all greased y'all scalp today, kudos to you. Yesterday, kudos to y'all. If y'all didn't, honey, this little ponytail here done wore out its welcome, okay? We got about another week or so left with this ponytail, so I'm gonna ride it till the wheels fall off. They already want a couple of wheels done fell off, but I'm gonna cut it and try to spruce it up a little bit till it lasts, child. But I know one thing, I can't wait after I get through with this. You know, with this little 4-week span right here, it's going in the trash, child. So anyways, y'all, I forgot about virgin hair fertilizer Friday, whatever the heck you want to call it. Listen, girl, I was doing so much, so much, getting Nivea prepared to leave and all of that good stuff yesterday. We went to Chuck E. Cheese again, girl. I didn't record nothing because I was too tired. I was just in there at Chuck E. Cheese in a chair like this. I wasn't even lit. I wasn't crumping nothing until Chuck E. Cheese walked out there, and then I was, you know, with Nivea. But other than that, I was my leg was hurting. I'm talking about everything was going on yesterday. It was a whole lot of girl. So anyway, this how much virgin hair fertilizer I got left in both of my containers. Now, okay, I have my children here, so I don't know where this is. I got third one, but I don't know where it's at, y'all. So I done looked everywhere that I could find, but listen, y'all know how y'all go to y'all mama's house and then when y'all leave, y'all have something in y'all bag. Okay, that might have happened. I'ma still be looking for it because I know it's my husband's anyway, because he is originally mine, but then he stole it, so it's his, then I stole it back, then it was in here, chat. Whatever, chat. Whatever. So anyways, I got the whole tube right here, which I will be using today because I don't think there's enough in there to grease my scalp right now. And I got my S-Curl spray on deck for my moisturizer. Got my, you know, and it's almost out a little. Well, let me see what it look. Okay, it look kind of thick today. People be messing with stuff, child. So this is what a new virgin hair fertilizer tube should look like for all you newbies who don't know. This should not be open. There should be a silver, metal, aluminum, whatever that is, seal on your top, okay? Because I read some reviews, some people had it open. Well, on YouTube. So, and then it's a little point back here in the top of the top that you stick it open, you know, stick in there to open it up. So it kind of just pokes a hole in it. So I don't have time to melt it and depot it, y'all. So I'm just going to squeeze a little bit into this jar right here. I don't recommend you doing this. I'm just rushing. Because if I go ahead and start melting it and all that stuff to make this video, Nivea going to wake up. Coco going to wake up. Y'all will hear babies in the background. Ain't nobody got time for that. Okay, so I'm finna just go ahead and do this a little bit. And then once I get enough out of here to grease my scalp with, y'all, then I melt the rest, okay? I'm gonna melt the rest. It comes out of here okay, but you don't get all your product if you don't melt it, okay? So this is what I'm gonna do to this, y'all. How y'all doing out there today? How y'all doing? I ain't spoke to y'all yesterday. I neglected y'all. I'm sorry, child. But I had a little bit of a life yesterday. I had to call in sick with YouTube, y'all. I had to call in sick. So I'm gonna just use that much. I don't know. Maybe do a little bit more. It ain't gonna hurt to get it all in here. To get a lot of it in here. But I don't be liking the over to use my, seem like when I use it straight out the tube, I use more than I need. So, because I can't really judge how I'm using it. So I'm just gonna put the top back on this, and then off camera, I'm gonna melt this and fill this up and, you know, make it good, okay? Make it whole. So, let me go ahead and grease my scalp, child. Y'all, there's been so much going on in this, child. I got my S-Curl spray moisturizer right here. Gonna go ahead and moisturize my hair. Look, 3-4 sprays. That's good. And make sure I get this ball right here extra good, because that one's always up under the ponytail, okay? So I just rub it in, and make sure I get the hairline area, because sometimes that area seems to get neglected. Somebody asked me, did I put virgin hair fertilizer on my edges? Yes, I do. But if my edges laid, or if I feel like I'm finna go somewhere, oh, excuse me, child, I gotta sit back. If I feel like I'm finna go somewhere after I put my virgin hair fertilizer in and my edges already touched up, then I don't bother them. But like today, I ain't finna go nowhere right now, so I will, you know, put virgin hair fertilizer all over my edges and stuff. No, so I got my little bit here, and I'm just gonna go ahead. I hope that's enough, child. If not, I'm gonna start with this little bit right here. I'm gonna use the rest of this out of there, and go ahead and try to need my glass on, because I can't even much see y'all. I can't see y'all. Let me see. Okay, there it go. Okay, let me start up here at the top. Oh Lord, I might have put too much in that area, but it's all good. I'm gonna rub it on in. And child, it was so much going on yesterday, y'all. So much, and I completely forgot about YouTube and its entire existence after we went to Chuck E. Cheese. Child, I was so wore out from the Chuck E. Cheese part, and walking, my legs was hurting, so I couldn't even really participate at Chuck E. Cheese because I was too tired. My hips had started hurting me and everything. I was like, Lord Jesus, please help me. So I've been having a ball with Nivea. We had to go that second round because she had some Chuck E. Cheese coins, tokens, what you call them things. She had some left, child, points. So we went to use the rest of them up, so we didn't pay nothing for Chuck E. Cheese trip this time. But this time we did have cupcakes and stuff for her birthday, so she's still gonna celebrate. So maybe when she go back home, she'll have another celebration. I don't know, y'all. Look, I'm just a little happy right now because I'm gonna get a little bit of freedom. Once Poopy gone, that's a little bit more freedom. You know, kicking them out one at a time. Yes, y'all. So when y'all using this virgin hair fertilizer, I'm sorry if y'all did it yesterday. If y'all was looking for me, cause it had got a little hectic yesterday because I wasn't even home for a while. But anyways, that's neither here nor there. So we're gonna keep greasing my scalp, and if y'all greasing y'all scalp with me this time by any chance, make sure you rub it in, okay, and make sure you moisturize before you do so. Y'all, like I said, if y'all didn't watch my goals video, a lot of people didn't because it didn't get that many views, but if y'all didn't watch my goals video the other day, y'all know my goal is to have long hair. And you know, there's a few people that don't agree with me saying I want to have longer hair. I don't know why. What's baby crying, child? Look, I ain't got time. But anyway, what's the deal with people not saying that, oh, that shouldn't be your goal? You should focus on health over length. I mean, that's all included. You can't get long, unhealthy hair. How can you? So, people crazy, child. Anyway, that's my goal. And I see it was a lot of y'all goals too, y'all. So, hopefully y'all keep following me and we're gonna get this hair goals accomplished in 2019. You know, I do have a before picture that when my hair started, my very first picture of my hair in 2019, this year in January. So it's gonna be a while. Somebody also asked me, could I do a lymph check when I take this down? And I don't plan on doing a lymph check as I take this down because, for one, I don't think I'm going to have as much growth as I did last month. When I say my hair like grew, like I don't know how that happened, y'all. I don't know. I wasn't even going to do a lymph check last month, but when I seen those results, and I'm like, wait a minute, you know, how my hair got, you know, like this or whatever, but you know, that was a gift from God, thank you Jesus. But I'm not going to do it this month because I don't think what happened last month was normal. Because it was not normal, but it was like, okay, maybe I'm seeing things. But both at the same time, I know people know that hair is like an elastic. It has elasticity in it, so it stretches. But my hair was not wet in neither video, in neither update or nothing. My hair was not wet and it was blown out the same exact way. So I'm like, okay, now this can't be, you know, a trick or my eyes deceiving me. So I'm like, wait a minute, what happened? I could clearly see growth. I don't know, y'all. Was it me or was I tripping, y'all? Okay, so because I know sometimes I be seeing like different girls in different hair videos be like, oh, my hair's longer now, but it be wet. When your hair wet, it stretches, you know. So I don't know what the deal was, y'all. I don't know the deal, but I'm just gonna take it as a growth spurt, okay? I'm gonna take it as that. But so anyway, I'm not gonna be doing a lymph check this time. I don't look unless I take this down. I'd be like, oh, it grew again, you know. But I ain't gonna do that. So I plan on doing my lymph check. This is February. Okay, let's consider it March, April, May. Oh, that's a long time, y'all. Okay, April, May. They say hair grows 6 inches a year. Okay, so I'm gonna try to at least get 6 inches. What I really want, y'all, is for when my hair is down in the front. I want my hair to touch my boobs. I want my hair one day to go right here. This is my boobs. I want my hair to go right here. One day. It might not be this year because that's a little stretch. It could be next year. It could be the year after. Who knows? I can't judge. Who knows if my hair could grow that long? So I'm going to keep trying until we see, okay? Hopefully it won't take years, but that's usually the process hair takes to grow is a couple of years. But after all that I have been through, I got patience to wait some years, you know? But yes, y'all, this virgin hair fertilizer has been making me happy. And a lot of y'all, some of y'all, well, not a lot of y'all like it. Some of y'all don't. So, I hope that, you know, y'all not mad at me for not liking it, because I told y'all what works for me don't work for you. But, you know, if you want to try it, try it. And I also recommended you guys, if you're going to get the virgin hair fertilizer for the first time, I would suggest ordering the single pack, which is the one bottle. The one tube, so that way if you don't like it, you know it's not a loss. You feel me? So if you want to go ahead and try that, go ahead and, because I order 4 tubes at a time. When I originally bought it, it was a 2 tube pack. I think it was a 2 tube pack that I bought. It was 2, and you know, I bought it and see if I was gonna like it, and then I ended up liking it. So after I bought the 2 tubes, then I seen that it was a better deal to get the 4 tube pack. So now I only get the 4 tube pack because it comes up as a better deal. Now some of y'all find it in y'all local beauty supply stores and stuff like that for $4, and I'm like, hey, give us a to hook up, hey. But we don't got it down here. I asked the lady at the hair store, did they have it? She's like, what? Virgin hair fertilizer? What? She said, yeah, we got fertilizer, and it was some other fertilizer she was talking about, child. It wasn't even no Virgin, nothing. It was some other brand that got some fertilizer, y'all. But I specifically wanted this one, so I guess you can't find this over here in the store. But I like this one, and this is what I'm gonna use, y'all. A lot of y'all can't stand the smell, a lot of y'all can't stand the tingling, but honey, I take it all, okay? So I'm gonna show you guys that yes, I do put it on my edges, even though my edges got a little, you know, ledge a little bit, but that ain't nothing, child, because I can redo those or whatever. And I think it's good for your edges too, as well as the rest of your hair. You know, you want to grow your edges back, child, you got to do some work now. I don't know, I never had problems with my edges. So, well, yes I did. I'm lying. Yes I did. When my hair fell out, my edges got thin too. So it has worked significantly. Y'all can see very well. So y'all, I'm not gonna put my ponytail back on today because I'm just gonna be in my house lounging around. So I'm not gonna put the weave back in. So therefore I'm going to go grab one of my bunnets and put that on my head, and I'm just lounging around the house today, y'all. And I ain't doing much of nothing. I make sure you get the nape area in the back of your head, y'all. I'm going to turn around and show you guys all this grease I done put in my hair. Now, I have learned to go through my braids and pull them because I don't want them to start locking with each other after so long, because it's been almost 3 weeks now. I go through my braids and do them just like this, y'all. Y'all can see what's going on back here. This is what the back of my hair is looking like so far. That's what it's looking like there, and then the top. So I'm going to continue to do this process until it's time for me to take these out, y'all. I'm just going to continue doing what I'm doing now until it's time for me to take them out. I'm not going to take this loose this time because I feel like it's enough moisture in there to just, you know, let them be all right, because this is my ends. These are my ends right here, and I want to keep them with less manipulation as possible. Meaning, I need to stop touching them as much as I can, okay? So I ain't go, because they're real fragile, you know. So, because I want to see my length. I want to, you know, retain my length. So, I am going to get my bonnet, put it on, then I'm going to be lounging around the house today, y'all. I'm going to be talking to y'all in the comment section all day today. So, what's up, girl? How you doing out there? How y'all doing? How your mama and them doing, okay? Anyways, you guys, let me go get my bonnet. So, y'all, I have my iPod bonnet, which is this bonnet right here, the beautiful pink little iPods, the pink and black, pink and white, and whatever, all these colors of different iPods or MP3 players or whatever y'all want to call them, okay? This is the regular size bunny, and this is what it looks like on your head, girl. See, okay, let me turn around and show y'all from the back. If you guys are interested in this bunny, y'all already know what y'all can do. Let me pause real quick. Sometimes I be moving too fast. Y'all already know what y'all can do. If you're interested in purchasing this bonnet, you can go ahead and look at my website, goldencreations.webs.com, and all proceeds go towards, you know, my cancer journey, you guys. Thank you so much for all the support that you have been giving me. I appreciate you guys. I love you guys so much. The love won't ever stop. The love won't ever change. It's, y'all, I don't even know how to express my feelings to you guys for wearing my bonnets, showcasing my bonnets, telling other people about my bonnets, and sharing my bonnet pictures and all of that stuff. Thank you guys so much. Anyways, you guys, that's all I got to say in this video, guys. And oh, I forgot to say thanks for watching. Yeah, thanks for watching, and that's all I got to say in this video, and I will holler at y'all later. Bye.